W-2, baby. It's just 2 minutes. Your 2-minute tax tip starts now.
What's up, YouTube? Hey, guess what? You're going to pay less taxes this year as an employee of a W-2 job. Congratulations! That's right. If you have a paycheck in 2018 going all the way to 2027, Trump's new tax reform is going to cause big savings in taxes when it comes to being an employee of a normal job, which means at the end of the day, this is great news for you. So if you want to know what in Trump's tax reform affected your paycheck, hang on. We only have 2 minutes, so let's dive right in. Okay, so here are the basics. The Tax Cuts and Jobs Act, i.e. Trump's new tax reform, changed the tax bracket rates and the thresholds by bracket. So while Trump campaigned saying he wanted to get the 7 brackets down to 4, he wasn't able to accomplish that. We still have 7 brackets federally, but he was able to change the rates by bracket and change the thresholds or the ranges of dollars by the bracket, which basically means that noticeable changes will be very apparent in 2018 going forward because the income limits for all the tax brackets and all tax filers have been adjusted for inflation. Okay, so what changed inside Trump's new tax reform when it comes to the federal tax brackets and the federal tax rates? Number one, 5 of the 7 tax rates have decreased. So while the first bracket and the 6th bracket have remained the same, the other 5 brackets have gone down, which basically means as an employee, you can expect to pay less taxes within those brackets that have decreased. Number 2, the range of dollars within the tax brackets have widened, which basically means that as taxpayers, we can make more money within a certain bracket before spilling over into the next tax bracket, which causes more taxation. Okay, so for the sake of time, here's just a quick visual for the tax bracket for married filing jointly individuals. So you'll see here on the left-hand side, you'll see the original 2017 rates, and on the right-hand side, you'll see the 2018 rates. And you'll see that the very first bracket remained the same at 10%, but then as you go up the next 6 brackets, it went from 15% to 12%, it went from 25 to 22, 28 to 24, so on and so forth. So the rates have gone lower for the 6 upper brackets. Now, what does this mean for employees of normal jobs or individuals who have W-2 paychecks? You need to give yourself a 2018 payroll or paycheck checkup. So recently, the IRS has released a new paycheck tax withholding calculator and a new Form W-4 for you to complete for your employer to help taxpayers with reviewing their withholding allowances for 2018 going forward. Okay, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. If you're an employee of a company where you get a W-2, realize that this tax reform will save you money as a taxpayer and that you have to revisit your allowances inside your paycheck. So be sure to click in the description below. We will have a link for the IRS's new withholding tax calculator. Be sure to adjust your allowances in your paycheck. Hand your human resources a new Form W-4 for 2018 going forward. And once again, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you guys at the next video.
Wow, that was the best 2 minutes of your life. Hey, thanks for watching. Hopefully we were able to answer all your questions with our 2-minute tip. Be sure to subscribe by clicking the button below and check out this video over here for our latest release and that playlist down there for our best playlist. And we'll see you guys at the next video.